video, what happens to your kidneys when you drink 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar a day? Katherine from Double O Kidney here. Let's talk about apple cider vinegar. This is not just a simple home remedy. It has healing properties that go way beyond those of many home remedies and that are incredibly powerful when it comes to protecting and restoring your kidney health. But it also comes with 2 hidden dangers. So watch the whole video before starting to use this incredible remedy. So here's what happens to your kidneys when you drink 2 tablespoons of ACV every day. First, ACV will lower and stabilize your blood sugar levels, especially great for those with diabetes. Studies have documented improved blood sugar levels and insulin sensitivity in diabetics who drink ACV regularly. And this is very helpful. If you drink 1 tablespoon of ACV before each main meal, your body is going to process the sugar in the meal without spikes in your blood sugar levels. Your kidneys will be very grateful. Now, the second reason why drinking 2 tablespoons of ACV a day will improve your kidney health is because it also improves heart health. Studies have shown that ACV lowers cholesterol levels and reduces blood pressure. These 2 benefits are amazing. Always remember that what helps the heart will help the kidneys too. In particular, there are studies showing that ACV can lower renin activity. This is an enzyme in the body that directly causes high blood pressure, and ACV can stop this. And ACV also has some powerful detoxing properties for your kidneys. It can help them doing their job. This is because ACV is a probiotic. This means that it contains helpful live microorganisms that will help improving the health of your gut. And never underestimate your gut health. Just like your kidneys, your gut removes toxins and scores from the body, but it also provides nourishment to all the organs and tissues. In short, drinking ACV regularly can help with diabetes, high cholesterol, urinary tract problems, and gut health. It is even proven to help you lose weight. Now, unfortunately, ACV comes with 2 hidden dangers. Both of them can be overcome if you know how. First of all, ACV can damage your teeth. While ACV is not acidifying for the kidneys, it's still acid. And simply put, acid is bad for your teeth. If you're bathing your teeth in an acid, it's going to cause the enamel to weaken. But there are ways to prevent this. You can drink it from a straw, for example. In alternative, you could brush your teeth before consuming ACV and then rinse with fluoride mouthwash after the meal. This will solve the first problem. The second is the food industry. They have been trying to ruin ACV for years. In fact, store-bought ACV will mostly look like this. This is clear. You can see through it. It means that it has been filtered and pasteurized. It's not what you want. You want real, raw, unpasteurized ACV with the mother. What means that some of the original fermented yeast is present in the bottle like this. This is important because when apple cider vinegar undergoes a slow fermentation process, it creates a buildup of yeast and sugars, which is also a probiotic. This buildup of desirable micronutrients is called the mother. You'll find this in certain brands like Bragg Organic Raw Apple Cider Vinegar, for example. Remember that pasteurized ACV doesn't have the same benefits. And guys, let me know if you are already using ACV or if you plan to start using it. And a great way to add ACV to your diet will be to incorporate it into my super healthy kidney tea. Yes, a tea with ACV, and I'll tell you a secret. It tastes great! Wanna know more? Watch my video up here. And this is all for today. See you next Tuesday. Bye!